This is code Forth. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to a webcam using the Forth programming language. I'm just going to get right to it. This is basically all the code you need to connect to a web camera. I'm going to go through it real quickly so you can see how easy it is. First thing you need to do is import this library, AVI cap32. So I'm using swiftforth. You can pick up a copy at forth.com. They have a free version. Once you have that, just basically copy and paste this stuff in, library, AVI cap32. We're going to create a variable called web handle. And if you don't know about variables in Forth, I'll cover it real quick. You can basically call your variable anything, just like any other programming language. And to basically read the contents that are inside the variable, you do web handle and you do this at, which basically means, read. And right now we have 0 in there. So we could write the integer 1 into a web handle by doing this. And we get, 1 on the data stack. So we can write anything we want to this variable. Okay, so moving along, we're gonna put this function in. And this function will give us a handle to a window, which is what we need to connect to the webcam. So to do that, I'm going to create a window. It's going to have a title of hello, dimensions 300 by 300 pixels. And over here, it created a window, so I'm going to drag it so you can see that. There we go. So we got our title, hello, and we got our dimensions, 300 by 300. So we need to connect to our webcam, and we're going to do it with this code right here, which is going to write that handle. Oh, we got to write this handle first, so let's do that. So we can save this number to web handle. So now we can call that number, as many times as we need to. So I'm going to write that real quick. And this code connects to your webcam. I got it pointed to my screen so you can see kind of, this bottom part a little bit. It's not moving yet, but if you're following along, you should have a green LED on your webcam. If you don't, I'll talk about that later in the video. So what we're going to do is set the frame rate or the speed. The lower this number is, the slower it's going to go. So a good test number is 500. So that's kind of our speed. It's not going to do anything yet. We're going to enable the live preview, which we do with this number right here. And we're going to set the live preview to true. So we should see stuff moving. And it should be, yep, there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see basically what I'm doing. There you go. You can see that I'm clicking the mouse on my swiftforth terminal. And that's really all the code that you need to connect to a web camera. If you get a black screen, I'm not really sure how to solve that, because I think one of the things that you can try is to connect multiple times to the web camera. You can try to run this, one after another, and see if that will connect. I wasn't able to get this code to work on a different computer, so if you get a black screen, you may let me know if you fix that, and maybe write it below. But anyways, that's the basic code that you need to connect to a web camera. It may work only on older web cameras. I'm not sure about new stuff, so you may have to experiment. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.